Imagine if, starting today, you stopped caring about things that drain your energy. Imagine if other people's opinions, criticism, and problems you can't control just became background noise that doesn't affect you at all. Most people think emotional detachment is a weakness, but the shocking truth is that the greatest leaders, thinkers, and philosophers throughout history used a secret technique called the dark art of detachment to protect their minds and achieve success. If you watch until the end of this video, you will discover how to use this technique and take absolute control of your life. Waste energy. Let's be real. How many times have you caught yourself lying in bed, overthinking a random comment from someone who doesn't even matter? How many times have you wasted hours stressing over things you cannot change? Modern psychology calls this overinvestment. The human brain evolved to be afraid, care about what the group thinks, and try to please everyone. But in the modern world, this instinct destroys your productivity and keeps you mentally exhausted. Ancient Stoic philosophers figured this out long ago. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor who ruled the world, always reminded himself of a golden rule. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Smart people don't waste energy hating others or getting angry at conditions. They focus that energy purely on their goals. Detachment. To apply this principle without becoming a robot with no feelings, you need to follow 3 simple steps that great people used. 1. The observer mode. Instead of reacting emotionally to a sudden problem, imagine you are an actor watching a play from a distance. Don't give any reaction for the first 10 seconds. This simple pause lets your logical brain take over and lowers your stress. 2. Trade attention for productivity. Every minute you spend thinking about someone who wishes you ill or a situation you can't fix is a minute stolen from your future. Philosophers viewed time as the only currency you can never get back. Are you ready to pay such a high price for nonsense? 3. Controlled indifference. This is the ability to say "I don't care" to things outside your control. It's not running away. It's a conscious choice to put your energy only where it brings you results. People who reach the top aren't the ones who care about everything. They are the ones who know when to lock the door of their mind against the world. If you found value in this video, go down to the comments and tell me, what is the one thing you want to detach yourself from this week? Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Stay strong and stay in control.